In this episode, fluffy and creamy roast potatoes. Ingredients: wash, peel, and dice potatoes. Transfer potatoes to a pot. Add ground black pepper, aromat seasoning or salt, garlic granules or fresh garlic, double or single cream, and add boiling water. Boil the potatoes on a high heat for 12 to 15 minutes. Drain the water and allow the potatoes to cool completely. Add unsalted butter, ginger puree, heavy cream, and microwave. Add a lemon and herb seasoning, then Bramwell's roast potato seasoning, some dried or fresh parsley. Add the melted butter mixture. Roast them in a preheated oven set to 200 degrees Celsius. After 10 minutes, add cream cheese to the potatoes. Return to the oven and bake for another 10 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius. Check on them after 5 minutes. Return to oven and roast them for another 5 to 10 minutes. And that's it. Grab a plate and enjoy these crispy, buttery, delicious, fluffy, creamy, cheesy, roasted potatoes. These roast potatoes are great for a special occasion. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on Sunday. Love you all, and God bless.